I did wax. I got my yoni waxed and my armpits. Yeah.
Yes, girl.
I don't know if you can see it.
Yes, girl. Yes. Yeah, that's my word. Yes.
It's amazing. Okay guys, welcome to my channel, Vera here, and today we are talking about waxing. So we have the one and only Verabaglady waxing from Yokosuka, Japan.
Hey,
yes. So we're just gonna talk a little bit about waxing. Vera knows everything, so she'll be sharing a lot of information. So you guys can come out here and get your yonis waxed. Yes, we all do need that. So without further ado, let's get started.
Hey everybody, my name is Iveria Waconia, but everybody calls me Verabaglady. I have been waxing for the last 7 years. I'm licensed out of California, and I hold 2 licenses out of Illinois, and I'm also an instructor. And I just want everybody to feel good about themselves, and I love self-care, so that's why I love waxing. But I'm looking for more clientele, so that's why I'm coming to you too.
Yes. So you guys can come over here. But why should you guys wax though? Why should you wax?
Waxing is more hygienic.
It is.
Versus shaving. You notice that when you shave, maybe 1 or 2 days later, you're itching and
yeah, those little hairs.
Those little hairs and little bumps and everything like that. With waxing, you don't feel that.
It takes a very long time for the hair to grow back.
Right. It can be between 4 to 6 weeks.
Yeah, very long time.
So
it's good.
It's worth the money. It's worth a little bit of pain.
Yeah.
For a month of not shaving or doing anything to your yoni.
And Vera said pain, but let me tell you, after the first time and the second time, you literally feel like almost nothing.
Right. Once you keep up with it monthly, or like I said, 4 to 6 weeks, just depending on schedules and everything like that, you'll start seeing a difference. You'll start seeing the hair like grow less, and it's brilliant. Brilliant.
Yeah.
I admire artwork.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Like for me, the biggest thing is that I am smooth. Smooth.
Baby smooth.
Like ice cream.
Baby smooth.
Soft cream. Baby oil. Just very smooth. Like I love that. Like I really, really love that. And the fact that you can actually be so smooth for like more than a month, sometimes if you do it like regularly, religiously,
yes, religiously.
Then I really love that.
Religiously, and it'll get you where you need to be.
But Vera does also wax men.
Yes.
Yes, not just females.
Everyone is welcome. LGBTQ. Everybody's welcome.
Yes.
Everybody's welcome here.
Yeah.
And I love doing men waxes. They're so much fun.
Oh, that's good. So you mentioned like the different types of wax. I mean, one time you said you wanted to give away something. You wanted to give away a free
yes.
But you mentioned the name of the waxes. Like I don't know which one it is. Brazilian.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
The difference between a male and a female wax is Brazilian is for females, which you take everything off, leave nothing, and then you have a manzillion, which is a Brazilian wax for men, but we call it manzillion.
I thought that was like some Moroccan thing.
No!
But that's interesting.
No, it's like, a man. They call it a manzillion or manzillion or manscaping.
Yeah.
Which means takes everything off, under the shaft, on top, on the sides, everything.
Alright, so how are we going to choose the winners though? Like if somebody actually wins an appointment with you, you want them to like and comment on this video.
Like and comment on this video.
Yeah, and you want them to
like and follow Facebook page, Verabaglady Waxing.
Yes.
We'll put the link below.
We're going to leave everything in the link below and the instructions and how you can actually get an appointment with Vera so that you can enjoy a waxing appointment.
A free waxing appointment.
Yes.
Just to bring you on in. Come on, give me your goodies.
Yes. Definitely. You will leave here feeling very good, like amazing. Every time I come here, I feel so great. When I go home, I'm like in the mirror, not in my face, but yeah, I'm looking everywhere. Like,
and then how do you feel appointment-wise?
Well,
do you feel like I accommodate as well for appointments?
Okay, guys, let me give you the tea on everything here. So I started coming to Vera maybe like half a year ago.
Yeah,
and I've had a couple appointments, and like every single time I come here, there's something different, something more welcoming, something just engaging. One time I saw my name somewhere like welcome Sian to the appointment. Vera is so big on hospitality, guys. It is real over here. And like she has a nice little refrigerator. If you're thirsty, you can get water. Don't worry about that. Yeah.
Cocktail, we got you.
Yes. And what surprised me was like one time Vera was like, what kind of songs do you like? She made an entire playlist of all the songs that I like, and when I came here, the music was playing, like everything, my name was up there on the screen, like I felt really good. So yeah, and like Vera doesn't double dip or anything like that when she's...
We don't double dip.
And she doesn't rip anything, like she's really gentle and like, yeah. She even does extra work, like tweezing, like extra work. I don't like tweezing, but Vera says like there are areas that need to be tweezed. Needs to be tweezed. So we're just gonna just go with what Vera says because she's doing it and she's a licensed one here.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, but I do feel welcome every single time. Like today I got free goodies.
Yes.
Extra goodies. I'm not gonna share that with y'all.
No,
I got
she got extra goodies today.
I got extra goodies today. If you are looking to get waxed here in Japan, I recommend coming to Vera because this is where you can feel comfy knowing that you'll be waxed by a licensed esthetician, yeah, and you'll have a really good experience. So yeah.
And I'm close to the train station.
Very close to Kenritsu Daigaku. That's the name of the train station. It's not far from Yokosuka. If you know Yokosuka, it's just on the Keikyo line. You can get here from Yokohama, Tokyo, anywhere you're at really quickly. You will find Vera easily. Very, very close to the train station. And I'm happy about that.
And she will pick you up too.
Exactly. My very first appointment, Vera was waiting for me at the ticket gate, y'all. Like, yeah. I felt good, like really good. I didn't have to be like, Google, where am I? Like, which way do I turn this? Like, no. She was right there. So amazing. And today I did wax. I got my yoni waxed and my armpits. Yeah.
Yes, girl.
I don't know if you can see it.
Yes, girl. Yes. Yeah. That's my word.
Yes. It's amazing. Very nice. Very
and
nice.
she changed my room.
Well, just a little bit. I just switched it around because we wanted to do the video for y'all. So yes, we just switched the room around a little bit. But the information that we're giving to you today is very important for you if you're really looking to get waxed here in Japan. Like,
definitely self-care.
Like,
definitely.
Yeah, don't leave this video without trying to find Vera because she's on Facebook. Like we said, her link will be down in the description below, so you can message her at any time.
I take messages all
the time. Well, all day, every day. You can just message Vera and she will
get
respond.
back to you.
Yeah,
definitely. Quick, fast, in a hurry.
Yeah.
And I understand that people are coming from different areas like Yokohama and everything like that. I feel like I'm very accommodating with times and schedules. So like Sundays are fine, Monday afternoons are fine. My schedule is really open. I'm very flexible. A female Brazilian is $70. I take yen, PayPal, dollars. I'm working on getting my line pay up.
Yes.
Or pay something. I'm trying some things new. $85 for men for the Waxillion, and then I also have the special wear Brazilian underarms is $85. That's pretty much it. You can find everything else on the page.
Yes.
But those are in majority. Verabaglady waxing.
Verabaglady waxing.
I want that ding thing like.
So yeah, don't forget that you can actually win a free appointment with Vera. So please follow her page at Verabaglady Waxing on Facebook. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video, and also follow Vera's page. Yes.
Can we have like dancing music out with dancing girls? I don't know. I don't know. You guys do that stuff. I don't know. I just wax.
Okay. So we will be announcing the winners of the appointments. Yes, the waxing appointments 2 weeks after this video has been posted. So please stay alert and share with your friends. Of course, the more the better. So please share with your friends and have everybody in the community tune into the waxing. Yes.
And if you're looking for good skincare,
yes. Turmeric soap.
Yeah, the turmeric soap. MJAY'S Organics. That'll be down in the description box as well.
Yes.
She mails to Japan. It's a great turmeric soap.
Yeah, but you can get the turmeric soap from Vera when you come and do your
or you
waxing.
can come and get it from
yes,
me.
You can order it from her so that you can get turmeric soap to just lighten any areas that you are concerned about. Yes, we all have those dark spots sometimes, and turmeric is really good for that. So don't forget to order your turmeric soap as well.
From me or MJ Organics.
Yes. MJ Organics or Vera's page. Yeah, so that's good. Alright, so that about sums up today's video, guys. With Verabaglady Waxing in Yokosuka, Japan. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
She moved all my stuff.
I did.
She moved everything. The whole room is about to be flipped. All right, let's go. Okay.